Hello viewers, you are welcome in a new video as you saw in video thumbnail. Today in this video you are going to see the best dashcam for 2023. As you know, dashcams are designed to record your trips. A handful even have the capability to detect accidents and start recording even when your car is parked, ensuring that you're covered even when nobody's behind the wheel. And they can help you contest speeding tickets and reduce your insurance premiums. Top companies spent countless hours on the road to test all of the latest models by installing these cameras in our cars, before driving in various weather and lighting conditions to assess their usability, features, and video quality in the real world. So don't wasting the precious time, let's start the today video best dashcam for 2023. Number 1 position, Nextbase 622GW, the best dashcam overall. Specifications: video quality, 4K, viewing angle, 140 degrees, GPS tracker, yes, memory, micro SD card, not included. Reasons to buy: Alexa and what 3 words built in. Superb video quality. Reasons to avoid: requires large capacity SD card. Poor smartphone app. Number 2 position, Garmin Dashcam Mini 2. The best budget dashcam. Specifications: video quality, 1080p, viewing angle, 140 degrees, GPS tracker, no, memory, micro SD card, not included. Reasons to buy: easy to set up and use, full HD video with HDR. Reasons to avoid: lacks a display, no battery, no GPS. Number 3 position, Nexr Pro, a sharp, dual camera option for high mileage drivers. Specifications: video quality, 1080p, front, /720p, rear, viewing angle, 135 degrees, GPS tracker, yes, memory, 32 GB, upgradable. Reasons to buy: neat design for both cams, easy to install and wire in. Reasons to avoid: interior camera sticks to screen, cloud backup requires phone. Number 4 position, Vantru E1. A neatly packaged dashcam with GPS and Wi-Fi. Specifications: video quality, 2.5K. Viewing angle, 160 degrees. GPS tracker, yes. Memory, micro SD, not included. Reasons to buy: good video quality. Neat, compact design. Reasons to avoid: 2K only captured at 30 FPS. No left/right adjustment. Number 5 position, Thinkwave X1000. A simple, intuitive dashcam for front and rear recording. Specifications: video quality, 1440p. Viewing angle, 156 degrees. GPS tracker, requires an optional accessory. Memory, micro SD card, 32 GB card included. Reasons to buy: great touch screen. 2 cameras in the box. Reasons to avoid: hard wiring requires care. Records as soon as connected. Please like the video and do comments me on what topic you want the next video. Thank you.